Hi, I'm Tyler Schneider, and I'm an attorney at TorHoerman Law in the Personal Injury and Pharmaceutical Department.
Legal Learning Moment presented by TorHoerman Law.
The conversation for today is damages. This is one of the foundational questions I get asked by every client. What is my case worth? How much am I going to get paid? How did you value this? Where did you determine this amount? Damages are one of the essential elements of every case. To break it down, while every state's different, foundationally they're all basically the same. We have three buckets. We have compensatory damages, we have general damages, and we have punitive damages. Compensatory damages are the ones that every person is aware of. They're your medical bills, your lost wages, they're the out-of-pocket expenses you might have had to pay to get your treatment, or because your car was totaled and you had to rent a car. Your general damages are the damages that you incurred as a result of potentially your injuries. For example, your pain and suffering, your emotional distress, those things that are harder to put a finite number on versus like a medical bill. And then punitive damages. These are damages in rare situations that are assessed to punish the defendant because they did something so egregious, so terrible that the court and the jury should punish them.
Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy night.
When we look at these in a global picture, they all add up to produce the amount that we're going for in your case, or the amount that we're hoping that your case will resolve for. But we have to follow them individually, and they work like dominoes. Without one, the other one doesn't come together. So it's important when we're working with you on your case that we know all your treaters. We know every place you went. We know every doctor you saw. We know every dollar you spent as a result of getting injured. Those are dollars you never had to spend. And when we get those, we can develop that into your general damages, and if the case supports it, punitive damages. So when you ask us what your case is worth, that's a question that we're going to work on together. And that's by going through this whole global group of information. Thanks.